Hi! Hello world! Gigi Hadid is making her relationship with Bradley Cooper a big priority, a source tells Entertainment Tonight. Gigi is in love with Bradley and they are very happy together, says the source. Gigi and Bradley are both committed parents and they have connected deeply about this. They have a strong bond with their daughters and they are at the forefront of everything they do. The 29-year-old model and the 49-year-old actor first sparked dating rumor in October 2023 after his split with Irina Shayk and her breakup with Zayn Malik. Gigi shares 4-year-old daughter Kai with ex, while Bradley co-parents 7-year-old daughter Leia with Irina. As for their loved ones, feel about their romance, the source notes Gigi and Bradley get along great with each other's families, which is very important to both of them. Credit to Entertainment Tonight. Lovely day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.